Soyez le bienvenu, mabuhay po tayo dyan. Welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Learn greetings and polite conversations in French. Practice simple one dialogue for saying bonjour, asking ça va, and talking about daily plans. Are you ready? Let's go. So, morning, this is conversation matinal. Okay, conversation matinal, early morning conversation po tayo, no? How to say bonjour, and this is translated in French, English, and Tagalog. Okay, let's go.
Rencontre le matin.
Okay, morning greeting, okay? Morning meeting with someone. Okay, when you meet someone, like for example, your voisin or voisine, your neighbor, okay? Your neighbor or your friend. So, morning meeting o pagpulong sa umaga when you see someone in the street or sa hall ninyo or where, okay? Rencontre le matin. Matin is morning. Rencontre when you meet someone in the morning. Okay, let's go.
Bonjour, comment ça va?
Hello, how are you? Ang sabi niya, no? In greetings with someone, to greet someone, there are two ways. We use tu, toi, mo. Yun ay we use tu because it's your friend, he's your friend, or your neighbor, or your family. But if it's someone who you do not know, we use vous. Okay, so this one is tu. He said, comment ça va? How are you? Okay. Ça va bien, merci. I'm doing well. Ça va bien. Okay, ça va bien. I'm doing well. A while ago, it was ça va bien. This one is ça va
Très bien.
très bien means very well, very good. I'm more, you're more. Okay, ça va très bien. It's different with ça va bien et ça va très bien. Okay? Mas okay siya. It's going very well.
Tu vas travailler?
So, he asked me, are you going to work? Sabi niya. So, tu vas travailler. Tu is your only friend. This is tu toi mo. Tu. Because he is your friend. Okay? Tu. Répétez, s'il vous plaît.
Tu vas travailler?
Voilà. C'est question mark na nagtatanong siya, are you going to work? So, tu, if only your friend. Got it?
Travailler ce matin.
Travailler ce matin means work this morning. It's only in the morning, ce matin, ou dans l'après-midi, ou toute la journée. Okay? Ce matin is only this morning. Cet après-midi, only this afternoon. And the whole day is toute la journée. Okay? So yun po, travailler ce matin. Travailler means to work.
Où travailles-tu?
Who is where do you work? Sabi niya. So, he asked me where I work. Donc, tu travailles. Où travailles-tu? So, when you ask questions, you need to, où is where. Travail is the verb travailler. Et tu is you. When you ask questions, you need to invert the verb first before the pronoun. Okay? The pronoun personnel. Où travailles-tu? And then you question mark, you need to go up. Okay, where do you work? Okay, tu travailles where? Okay, tu travailles. Okay, get pas? Travailler is the verb to work. Merci et bonne pratique. Thank you and happy practicing. I hope you learned something when you greet someone with tu, toi, mo. Okay? And please don't forget to like, subscribe, at comment po for more videos. Au revoir.